Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove extra space in table in Microsoft Word. Now you see. So we are going to remove it. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now select table and then right click on it. Now you see table properties. So click on it. Now table properties open and then we are in row. Now you see height, you see 5 centimeter. When you are using template, you can download from internet, mostly in table layout, and then you face difficulty in table format because that layout sets specific height in table properties. Now you see size in rows 5 centimeter. If you want, you can set centimeter according to requirement, or you can disable it like this and then click on OK. Now you see excessive space removed from table in Microsoft Word. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.